Hello everyone, this is Justify Speaks and today we're trying Bembe's homemade skinless longganisa. So Bembe's homemade skinless longganisa is made by my previous schoolmate, and currently they have two types of meat, pork and chicken longganisa. And right now they also have the three flavors: the original, the sweet and spicy, and the sweet garlic. So if you want to order this, I'll put their Facebook page on the description box below. So for now, let's cook this first and try it later. So the longganisa is now cooked. On their Facebook page, they have a special way of cooking this one, and they said you need to fry it first, then add water in it to boil it so that the inside will be cooked. Then afterwards it will create oil that you will fry it with. So I tried it and now we need to taste it. So there are three pork varieties: the regular, the sweet garlic, the sweet and spicy of each pork and chicken. I'm not really sure right now which is which, but obviously if you look at it, the chicken is lighter in color. So let's try the chicken first. I'm not sure if this is the original. Looks like it's cooked. Let's try it. So surely it's chicken. Has less flavor compared to pork longganisa. But it has a nice touch of pepper, so I'm not sure if that is the regular one, so I need to taste the other two. So I'll try the next one, which is also chicken. This one is garlic. You can taste the garlic in it. So if you love garlic, try that one. And I'll try the last one, the chicken. So these are all homemade, so no preservatives added. I think only sugar or something, but it's all meat. So I think the first one is the sweet and spicy because it has a kick with the pepper. The second one is the garlic. The third one would be the regular one, which is, I think the regular one is nicer. Yes. That's the real taste of longganisa. It's kind of oily because I think I combined the flavors in one pot. So the pork fats comes with the chicken longganisa. Tastes nice. No, not much salt in it, preservatives. So it's like grounded chicken with some flavorings. Let's taste the pork now. So again, I'm not sure which is which on this pork, so I'll try the first one. Again, they have three flavors: garlic, the spicy one, and the regular one. I think that one is the spicy one. It has a kick in it. We'll try the next one. Okay. No garlic in it, so I think the last one will be the garlic one. Yeah. The last one is the garlic one. It's like pork and garlic. So for comparison, this Skinless Longganisa, I always eat the Pampanga's best Longganisa, and also whenever I had a chance, I buy those Longganisa from Pampanga, which is only 20 pesos per pack. Those are sweet. There's a lot of, I think, sugar in it, and yeah. This one, not much of those kind of stuffs. I could compare this to the restaurant grade like Manam Longganisa. So, not overpowering. You can taste the meat, and it's good. For the price of 110 per pack, 20 pesos each, instead of going to Manam or Mangan or those Filipino restaurants, if you want to try Longganisa, you could buy this Longganisa. So I'll just finish this one. There's still a lot of it. So again, if you want to order, I'll put their Facebook page on the description box below. So that's all for now. If you're not yet a subscriber, please subscribe and push the notification bell so that you will be notified if I release new videos about food delivery, and maybe in the future travel. If you like this video, please press the thumbs up button, and if you have any comments, suggestions and recommendations on what to try next, be sure to put that on the comment box below. That's all for now. Thank you and God bless.